Hey there, Darren here, excited to share with you our Easy Source walkthrough and tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to find your next manufacturer or supplier for virtually any product on Amazon. Easy Source is an exclusive partnership with Alibaba.com that allows you to only view vetted suppliers that fit your current business needs. Easy Source rests in two places inside of your ZonGuru subscription, in the Chrome extension as well as the ZonGuru web application. Now we have the Chrome extension pulled up. We're on Amazon.com and we're looking at an interesting product category, the Herb Garden Starter Kit. But you can see that Easy Source rests right here inside of the Chrome extension. Now typically what I would do is begin to look at this product category, take a look at the competitors, how it looks, whether there's room for me as a new seller to enter this space. And all the while in the back of my mind, I'll be thinking about, okay, well, how will I source this product and bring it to market? Luckily, we have integrated Alibaba's Easy Source directly into the Chrome extension, so you can begin to think about and source your product without even leaving Amazon.com. So it's pretty cool. What I would next do is, take a look at the category, make sure that it's not too competitive, that the demand is high, and then I would begin to take a look at what it would take to source this product. Now, when I click on the widget here, you'll notice that the top two suppliers popped up. Now, these two suppliers that we're viewing are based on the custom settings that we have set up inside of the application, the web application. So I'll show you how we set those settings up in a second. But what we're seeing here is the two suppliers that best fit our current business needs based on those settings. So we've got some really good information at a glance, like who the supplier is, their trade assurances, how long they've been on Amazon, where they're based, and as well as whether or not they're a manufacturer or a trading partner. Over here, we also see the price range to purchase from them, as well as the MOQ. So some good information at a glance, but perhaps I want to see a little bit more. If I click on See More on Easy Source, it's going to open the web app, and you can see here that Herb Garden Starter Kit Indoor has already been populated into the search bar, and we can take a look at the suppliers that are at our fingertips. Now, these are just a few. If we click on Show More, we're going to continue a list all the way down until no more suppliers meet our custom settings. So let's take a look at what some of the things on this page mean. So this is a really important one here, the Settings tab. This is where you set up those custom settings so that you only see the suppliers that fit your needs. So if I'm interested in suppliers from a certain region, I can select those regions here, or I can select all. There are different verifications I can select as well, and if those products from the supplier are ready to ship or not. Now, as always with all of our tools, anytime you see this little eye, this information icon, you can take a look at what these things mean in greater detail. Over here, we have the averages within the category. So we have the average price, the average minimum maximum, as well as the average minimum maximum for the MOQ and the lead times. And as always, you can hover over to see what these mean. Now, if I wanted to filter the results in this list, I could also select perhaps the years that they've been on Alibaba, their average rating, and the supplier type as well. So you have a lot of ability to really curate the list of suppliers that are being shown to you. And it's really cool. And this is a very, very unique feature to ZonGuru's sourcing tool, because we were selected by Alibaba.com to partner with them and receive these certain key pieces of information. So this tool has been designed and crafted for you to only find the manufacturers that fit your business needs. Now let's keep looking at some of the details of this tool. You can see here even further breakdown of these manufacturers individually. So, what other types of products they manufacture or source, the materials that they use, even the style of the product. We can also see things like, again, how long they've been on Amazon, their region, some of the other products that they sell, their rating, their number of shipments and revenue over time, as well as the markets that they supply to, and then whether or not they're ready to ship. And you can also see here the trade assurance verification as well. Now, let's just say this was the supplier that I was most interested in. I would click on product details, and this is going to take me over to Alibaba.com, where I could then begin my communication with the supplier to see and really get a feel for whether or not they're a good fit for my business. As you can see, Easy Source makes sourcing easy. It's as simple as that. Go ahead and jump into the tool and find the manufacturer that's perfect for you. Bye for now.